I am Greg, and I am with the amazing Alfredo Faccipieri. This Italian knife maker traveled across the sea, the ocean blue, to come to the largest knife show in the world to share with you beautiful, bellissimo works of art.
Thank you, grazie.
So we specialize in culinary knives. I know him online. We ran into each other just now to show you this beautiful work. So we're going to let the man himself tell us, what have you made for the Blade Show?
Now the remaining knives, because it's the second day, we have 2 knives with the Magna Cut for the blade.
Amazing.
Yes.
You're the second person only using Magna Cut.
No, I think that it is a good choice for culinary knives.
Maleo knives are
Maleo
the only other ones.
Okay.
We have one. They gave us one to sharpen, so we're excited.
This is Magna Cut. We have RWL from Damastil.
Absolutely.
And some Damascus from Damastil.
Okay.
Okay.
The Damascus knife is full Damascus or cladded?
It's full Damascus.
So I see the Western handle.
The Western handle is a knife. It is actually a collaboration between me and the 3 knife maker.
Okay.
Okay. One, I can't remember directly the name because one is from Poland, and Duro knives, Malanik knives, and Otman Fatim. Otman Fatim make the design and then ask to 3 knife maker to build the knives. This is Damastil. Can I take it?
Yes. And is this a Gyuto or Tsujuhiki?
This is a Gyuto. This is a Gyuto. The blade is in Damastil, Finland, and there is a no contrast etching. There is no different color. This I call this ghost effect. It is the same effect of this one, and the difference in the color is given by the dip of the hatching. Not this helps in some way the food release.
Okay.
Okay.
I wanted to feel it.
Yes, and here you will feel better.
Okay.
Then we have.
Is it a partial tang or a full tang?
Full partial tang.
Partial
it is inside. Normally, I make a long tang inside the handle in order to have a solid construction.
You want to tell the Italian fans? Do you want to say anything in Italian?
Ciao a tutti. This is in RWL from Damastil.
Yes.
The handle is in Karelian birchwood.
Beautiful.
This spacer is in steel, in stainless steel, and this material is Yuma. It's black Yuma from Erfurt in Germany.
And I noticed that you put a very high polish.
Yes, I think I try to make my best to polish it. Or everything.
How does one even finish that?
How or why?
How? Because if I do it not on stone, a Scotch Brite doesn't get this shiny.
No, I started using stones because all the blades are very high in hardness. So this is 63 Rockwell C. So I start with a stone, and then I pass to diamond compound in order to obtain.
Yes.
It's the only way for me.
I was wondering because I have a knife, very high polish, with a thumbprint patina, and I'm afraid of it because I don't. And I thought diamond compound would maybe help me.
This is 3 or 4 step of diamond compound, and you can obtain this level of polishing.
So I'm going to point out one more knife that you won't see on the table. Come here, you come here.
Oh,
so he's living the life.
Yeah.
With the knife.
This knife won the 2022 Damastil Best Knife of the Year. So I make a tattoo with it.
And that's your knife? Like you made that knife?
Yes.
Wow! Congratulations on that.
Thank you.
Absolutely. I think all of you, whether you're in Italy or the United States watching the show today, you can agree this was not a dull moment. We appreciate seeing you. We appreciate you. Just so you know, he's working on a new machine. This new sander
Yes, board grinder.
Board grinder.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. You can see videos on his Instagram. We have given you guys links to his website and all of his social media. And obviously at the show, these knives are for sale. You can also get these knives for sale on your
Instagram account.
Okay, so you guys can reach out to him to buy any of these knives if you see something you like. Do you make custom knives?
I make only custom knives.
Okay.
This is the only time that I don't have a customer, because I make this knife for the show. But normally I make custom knives. I ask to my customer what he wants. I make a customized knife.
Beautiful. Well, like I said, we only stop for gorgeous. These are beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great blade show.
Thank you.
For more content, keep staying with us. Never a dull moment. This was not a dull moment. 2023 Blade Show. We'll see you later.